Yeah, so hold on. This is now 18 months.
18 months, yes.
And you've been fine, and I saw you at that time, the day after the surgery. You were walking, leaning forwards. Now you're standing with a good posture. How do you feel with your
I'm okay
posture?
right now. I feel fine now.
But you've got this severe osteoarthritis of the left hip, which needs to be...
Bothers me, yes. Yes, I walk.
Let me see you walking with your... Yeah. So much better.
With pain.
Yes,
Some pain
it's
with
the hip.
Yes, the
Yeah.
is coming.
If you turn around now and walking back, be careful with that step here. Now, can I also, if you turn around, can I see you bending forwards, please? How far can you bend? Wow, that is good. And straighten up. And to a side, how is your side bending? On the other side? Yeah, this is good. Very good. Considering it was 2 level we did, stabilisation and the decompression. So it's